Hello friends, today we will learn what is the loop function is this in Python. So when we write any if we want to if we want to display some text in this console box, we simply write print and in between parentheses we write the text that we want to display in console. You can see I write here print Adhyan and the output came the Adhyan. But if I want to write for it 10 times, I just simply write here and I will just copy paste it. Simply I copy paste it. Or I write here. Let me just write copy for 10 times. You learned this in Microsoft also. Word also what is the copy paste control that and that all. Let me just remove this all these are the arguments come there. What is your PC, what is the author name of that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and let me just run it. Let and save introduction to loops. Now you can see it is displaying Adhyan for 10 times. What if I want to display for it 100 times? It's very terrible task to just copy paste for 100 times. There is a the loop is helping in this. In Python, loop is helping for these types of problems. So what I will do, I will clear all of my stuff and I will start from here. For there is a command for it. Let me just write it for I in range 10. Then I will write here print what text you want to write. You can write I am writing just hi, how are you. Now see, let me just run it. You can see I have not write it for 10 times. By loop you can display anything for how many times you want to display. Infinite times you can display any number you can write here, and for example I write here 29, it will display for 29 times. What number you write here, that times this text will be appeared in console. Now I will explain you what is this for I in range, this command. For I in range means a variable made for name of I, in that there is a range for 29. Range can be edited in I. There is a range for 29 30. There can be any range. For 0 also there is a range, 2 3 4 5 6, means the I is now assigned to this number. Here that number is written, the I will be assigned to that. Here I can write a new piece of code, interesting piece of code. The number is, let me just write here I and 10. I want to tell you something about that. If you write a integer or a number, always remember to that if you are writing any number to 10, write here 11 because it's counting 0 also. You can write the number is 0, number is 1, number is 2, number is 3, number of 4, number of 5. Any number you can just do this. Suppose I write here for 50 times, it will display till 49. So I will write here 51. It's displaying 0 also. That's why I'm writing here 59. You can see it's the number is 1, the number is 2, number is 3, number is 4, and you can display a table here also, but displaying any table you have to write here 11 because it's displaying zeros. What I will do, I will just remove this all and I will write here I, and here you can after this multiplication sign, what number you want to शो मतलब आपको जिस भी टेबल का नंबर कोई से भी टेबल का आपको नंबर टेबल बताना है तो आपको बस जैसे 2 का आपको टेबल बताना है, 2 का टेबल इसको आपको डिस्प्ले करवाना है इधर, 3 का करवाना है, 4 का तो करवाना है, जिस भी टेबल का आपको डिस्प्ले कराना है आपको इधर नंबर लिखना पड़ेगा. तो हैव टू राइट हियर द नंबर that you want to show the table here. And suppose I want to display the table of 2, it will display, you can see 0 2 4 6 8 10 12. You know I have write 11 because it's displaying this 0 also. Suppose I write here table of 15, it will display table of 15. It's not compulsory for displaying till 10, you can display till 100. You can see 100 times you can display this table. So hope you have understand what is the for loop in this Python. So I stop here my lecture. Thank you for watching this video.